In the heart of the Fante kingdom lies a town whose roots stretch deep into the earliest migrations of our ancestors. This is Mankessim, the cradle of the Fante people.
The history of Mankessim is etched into these very trees. For generations, we have guarded the stories of our ancestors.
Gather, my children. Today, we travel through time. Let me tell you how our people arrived here. The Akan people began their long migration south from Techiman.
Keep moving, my people.
Our story begins in ancient Techiman, when three great leaders, Obrumankoma, odapagyan, and oson, led thousands on a journey to find a new home.
We have traveled far, and the journey is tiring for some. But we must press on to our new home.
Our people deserve fertile land and safety. Let the spirits guide our steps.
The journey was arduous, and their great leader, Obrumankoma, began to weaken.
He's falling!
But the storm was unforgiving, and Obrumankoma's strength finally gave out. Weakened by the journey,
But the journey took a painful turn.
Elder, stay with us. He needs help quickly.
My spirit will go ahead, but continue your journey.
The heavens opened up as Mankessim's great warrior, Obrumankoma, breathed his last.
He was buried gently, and the people pressed forward.
Here, the soil is rich, but we must continue until the spirits say, stop.
They moved again until the gods instructed them to settle.
And so they arrived at the great Ebisadua.
By the power of the ancestors, Mankessim is born. And then the sacred moment happened.
The spirits have spoken. This is our home. And so, Mankessim, meaning I have settled, became the headquarters of the Fante people. It was here that the first Great Fante Confederacy Council was held. We swear an oath to the state, not to any man.
The people chose leaders. Brainy, the general leader, Akin Enyim, the war leader, Omanhen, show of the traditional ruler.
And so they formed a bond sealed in courage.
The Nananom Mpow, the sacred grove, served as the spiritual heart of the Fante people.
The ritual at Nananom Mpow honors the founders.
Great ancestors, receive this libation and protect Mankessim.
The spiritual heart of Mankessim lies within the sacred grove of Nananom Mpow.
Mankessim became the spiritual heart of the Fantes. Every major decision began with seeking blessings from the ancestral shrine. Our ancestors walk with us. Let their wisdom guide the Fante people. The Mankessim market was the beating heart of the community, a place where culture and commerce thrived. The vibrant markets of Mankessim served as the heartbeat of the community.
This is fine pottery, madam.
The bountiful Atlantic provided the lifeblood of Mankessim, fostering a vibrant culture of trade. The harbor of Mankessim was a vibrant hub. These are fresh catches today, my brother.
Straight from the sea this morning, sister.
The Mankessim market was the beating heart of the community, where farmers brought their harvests. Trade was the lifeblood of the community, drawing farmers from across the region. The vibrant market at Mankessim served as the heart of the community, where the rhythm of daily life and trade converged. Trade flourished in Mankessim. The rhythmic pounding of fufu was the heartbeat of the market.
Hey, this fufu is soft today.
The town flourished with trade, culture, and festivals, creating a center of unity.
The market today is blessed. Fish from the coast, food from the farms.
The market bustled with activity, drawing in traders from far and win.
Mankessim grows every day.
The arrival of the British marked a pivotal moment in Mankessim's history.
We are pleased to make your acquaintance, Chief.
This territory is now under Her Majesty's jurisdiction. You must comply with British law.
We are the custodians of this land. We are here to establish a protectorate over the Fante community.
With time, colonial presence tested the unity of the Fante states.
The Fante people stood strong. Our leaders negotiated. Our traditions survived.
Nana Kwame understood the weight of his people's future.
We must protect our traditions.
The legacy of Mankessim rested on the wisdom of its leaders.
Our future is tied to the strength of our unity.
One of Mankessim's greatest leaders guided the people through political challenges.
For generations, the people of Mankessim have gathered to honor their beloved king.
We greet you, Nana.
This celebration honors the enduring legacy of Nana Kwame and the roots of Mankessim. The vibrant market remains the heart of Mankessim.
Mama, how much for this yam?
It is fresh this morning, only 10 cedis for you. Today, Mankessim remains a vibrant center of commerce, just as it has for centuries. Modern Mankessim is a vibrant center of commerce, drawing people from across the region.
Thank you, driver. Keep the change.
Safe travels, madam.
A testament to its rich history. We are going to order now.
1,500, is that fine?
The spirit of Mankessim lives on in the vibrant energy of its youth.
By understanding our past, the bustling schools of Mankessim are a testament to the future.
Look, the results are posted right here.
The spirit of community is alive and well in modern Mankessim.
Aqua, good morning. God bless you.
The modern town is defined by the enduring spirit of its community.
Welcome, Sister Aqua. Praise the Lord.
Today, Mankessim remains one of the strongest commercial and cultural centers in the central region, holding tightly to its ancient roots.
And so, my children, that is the story of Mankessim. We must carry this history in our hearts, always.
Elder, the story of Mankessim is powerful.
Never forget where you come from. Mankessim lives through all of us.
And the story continues from generation to generation. As the drums of the closing ceremony echo across the land, the rich history of Mankessim is remembered and honored by all.